Hey everybody, who likes Barbies? We got a ton of them in. There's Lucille Ball. We got the black teacher, the white teacher, the busy girl, the solo. Got all that. Let's come back down. We got the peppermint Barbie. Okay, the box didn't flap open like it should have. My lighting isn't too good. Long-haired jewel Barbie. That's 1, 2. Those are 19. There's the 35th anniversary is what those are. Right there, there's one more of them there. Got all these. Got these. That's the, looks like Zsa Zsa Gabor. And we got the Hoppin' 20s. And we got the Wedding Day Barbie. Got another small, just single Barbie in there. Look at there, got Elvis Barbie. There's some Kens in here. A couple, I think 3 Kens. Another one of those over there. Come back. See what they look like. If anybody wants to buy all of them, give me a holler. We'll take them in. I'll put all that in the contact info. There's a little Pioneer Barbie. Rosie O'Donnell Barbie. Looks like Mary Poppins to me. I'm not sure who that one is. But yeah, so got a whole table, got a 20-foot table full of them right here. We'll run back through real quick. Give everybody a quick look at them. If you're interested in any of these, give me a holler. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Sorry I sound terrible. We got these standing up, didn't have boxes for those. Nice looking Barbies, all in original boxes, unopened, never played with or anything. Y'all give us a holler. Mississippi Pickers Auction House. Anybody's interested, we'll sell a whole lot of them. Figure up a price for you, make a good dealer's price for you on whatnot or wherever you want to sell them, or we'll run them one at a time on high bid. Let's run back over them one more time. These are 35th anniversary. You can just barely see that. So they were put out in the 90s, I think. Late 80s, late 90s, somewhere like that. Bunch of Barbies. Never thought I'd be playing with dolls. Look at that one with Elvis. I like that one. There's the old Ken guy. We're going back down. Old Rosie. Look like, I'm not sure, Dorothy from the Wizard of Oz. Ballard Swan Lake. A Chinese Barbie, an Indian Barbie. Elegant Evening Barbie. Pretty good. There's some good Barbies in here. I Googled most of them, so kind of get an idea of what they were worth. We probably got some more I hadn't come across yet, so we bought 2 truckloads of stuff. All right, guys. Will, Mississippi Pickers Auction House. I'll put all that in the description. Thank you. Oh, wait, y'all like and subscribe if you would. We come across some crazy stuff.